Hi everyone, so today I want to show you the process of how to submit an app onto ChatGPT. The first step is very simple. You just have to go to platform.openai.com/appsmanage. This is the same place where you get your API key. And then over here, there's this option, ChatGPT apps. And you just click on new app. There's a few things that you have to prepare in advance to make the app submission process go a lot faster. First, you have to prepare a logo icon. It has to be an SVG 64 x 64 pixel. You probably want to have it in dark mode as well because a lot of people use ChatGPT in dark mode and you want it to look good for them as well. And then they also require, the website, the private policy, the term of service, as well as the demo video that you need to record in advance. And after that, a lot of this step, Fractal, because I built my app in Fractal is going to do it for me. The only step that I have to do manually is recording the video and creating the logo icon and taking the screenshots. So the app I'm going to submit today is a word count app. So I've been using ChatGPT a lot for writing on X or to create narration for my video. And a lot of the time I wanted to know, hey, like how long it would take. And I know that ChatGPT would tell me how long it would take, but I often need to edit the content that ChatGPT created for me. And if I edit the content, and I need to see how long the edited content is, I have to go to another app, like the word count app, and paste the content from ChatGPT over there to edit it and see how long it takes. So my word count app is very simple. It would open when I ask how long it would take to read this, or how many characters or how many word count. And it give me like the word count, the read time, how many character it is, and it also like update as I edit the content because sometimes like ChatGPT content, I need to make like a little bit adjustment based on the content that it generated for me. So this app is super helpful for me, and I really hope that other people also find it helpful. So over here, to make that happen, I'm going to like upload an image. And I already created an SVG for this app, so I'm just gonna say open. And my app name is word count. I totally forgot that Fractal would do this for me. So I go to Fractal, and I would go on publish. And over here, Fractal is going to like prepare all the content for me, like the app subtitle. I just need to copy and paste it. Because it knows like what app I've been working on. So it auto-generate it for me. Normally, if it doesn't auto-generate for me, I probably would go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate for me anyway. Okay, perfect. All right. Okay, so this form, there's a little bit more that Fractal doesn't know. So I would say this is productivity. And the developer is Fractal AI company. It's Fractal AI. Our website is usefractal.com. I mean, just usefractal.dev. Our customer support is support at usefractal.dev. I have a private policy link here. Yeah, you also have to prepare a private policy and a term of service link. And then I already recorded a video demo, so I'm gonna link to that as well. This is the second app that I'm submitting. Okay, my app doesn't link out for people to make a purchase, so I don't have to select that. Now I need the MCP server URL, so I go back to Fractal and then I copy the MCP server URL. It's no auth. I'm gonna have it scan my tool. So it says that domain not verified. So I also have, oh, now it asked me to, after it scanned the tools, it asked me to ask a few things like, you know, read only, open world, and destructive. So read only, it means that does your app take any actions? ChatGPT is worried if your app is gonna do any destructive actions. Open world means that if it's like interact with the rest of the world, for example, doing like a web search, yeah, so that is pretty important. And obviously destructive means that if it's deleting something, this just means that the agent is going to take a special caution if it's one of these. But if you use Fractal, like we automatically read your tools, we understand what your tool does, so we can create all of these for you. And remember to always read what Fractal generates, just in case it's not accurate and it's not something you intend to. I already read through it before I shoot this video, so that's why I didn't read it because I want to save you time. I don't want to take forever to go through this video. Now you have to do a domain verifications, and to do this, you just have to copy the verification token. And then you go to verify your domain. And then you paste in the domain and you click save. Your domain verification should be saved. And then you can verify it. Okay, great. So it is verified. I'm going to go to the next step. Now that you have to add like just test cases for your app, you should definitely test out your app. I hope if you're publishing your app that you've already tested your app very thoroughly. I have, so I just copy and paste the test case in. But yes, please test your app before you publish it. And because I use Fractal already did this work for me, so I just need to copy and paste in. We're going to make a browser plugin so you don't have to copy and paste because it is really a pain to copy and paste. And especially like sometimes when it saves the draft, it clear out the text field. It's quite annoying. This one is a tweet. I should have copy the same one. Oh my god, I hate the passive. It's really annoying. Okay, that's two it is. Oh my god, do you see that? Okay, that's it is. Okay, that's case 4. I'm almost there, guys. I can't even imagine submitting this without Fractal. I mean, I'm tired of just copying and paste, See, I keep clearing out my content. Like, imagine if I write, like, something real long, just automatically write it out. Okay, that's A5. Whew, that was a lot. Let's go to the next negative scenario. Oh, yeah. 3. Whew, that was a lot. Now we have to upload the screenshot. I already created a screenshot already. You have to remember that the requirement is very strict. it took me forever to get the screenshot right because I keep, having the wrong file size or like the width and height were just not right. The width has to be exactly 706 pixel. So make sure you resize it to 706 pixel. And the height has to be between 400 to 800 pixel. And if you do any of that wrong, it's not going to tell you what is wrong. It's just going to tell you that you have to redo it again. How many words is that? Oh shit, I have another screenshot. I have two. Okay, and this one is how long does it take to read? Is it how long does it take to read? Let me look more into my tools what I asked it. How long to read these? I'm just gonna be exact just in case. Okay, and now you're just gonna, you know, go global. Like, I don't know. Do I want to go global? I don't know. I feel like I'm just gonna get the default. And that's it. I feel like my app is pretty safe. And that's it. My app submission is done. I'm gonna go and submit my other app now. And I will share with you when the app get approved. Thank you so much. Bye.